Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Keychain latest update. We are going to look at it, and if you have not started mining key, I don't know what you are waiting for. Link in the video description. Do well to start immediately. This update was made 4 hours ago. They say the mining power of Keychain will decrease on August 3rd. Today is August today is August 1st. Sorry guys, happy new month. I wish you all the best in this month of August. We pray that August will favor us. We pray for more USDT, more dollar in our account. So right here they say that Keychain power, mining power, will decrease on August 3rd 2025, and this time is only an estimated days rather. So make sure that you start immediately now before the mining power increase. What this means in crypto is that what they normally called halving is a situation where there is scarcity in a project, and which will help to build the project liquidity. They are currently going to face another halving. Take that opportunity, and if you have not purchased key, do well to purchase key and have key in your wallet. But this is not a financial advice. Now looking at the comment section, this person reply, another halving event because nothing says stable growth like scheduled scarcity. Like I said, this is going to be a scarcity. This halving will help to stabilize the growth of this coin, thereby increasing the liquidity, the scarcity and all that. So looking at this, you can see that people are really saying good about this project. People are not talking bad about this project. This person is already talking about TGE when Key has already told you guys that the mining is scheduled to be a 2 years mining cycle. So TGE might not happen, and even if it happens and the token is being listed, you still have time to continue mining. So make sure you start mining immediately. If you click on this mining, you can now see, and also remember to collect your BTC. If you can check if you can collect your BTC. Click on my BTC reward. Are you sure to collect? Click on OK. Okay, the number of invited lower level miners in SNAPSHOT you have yet to obtain. So for you to start collecting your BTC, you need to have at least some referrals. I don't have referrals. I started last week and I've not been active on this project. So if you go and check if you can start collecting BTC. And looking at here, they said already here that mining models through Key ladder style heavy mining coming on August 3rd. So make sure that you take advantage of it. And like I said, the mining is 2 years cycle, so you have time to join if you have not joined. Now going to your wallet, make sure that you have key, but that is not a financial advice. I have this key in my wallet. They are also doing another program. Click on this more. The function is about to be activated, so the function is not yet activated. Now let's click on this key that I have here. You can now see the value of key received. This is the key I received. Now let's click on more. Some people find out that the number of key, you can actually stake your key. That is what I want to know here. You can actually stake your key and you will be receiving it. If you stake for the minimum you can stake is 7 days. I'm still looking for it here on my own. The minimum you can stake is 7 days. Once you stake for 7 days, this is where you see the lending, the desk trading and the all that. If you stake for 7 days, you receive an APY. So I'm still looking for it. Like I said, I'm new to this project. Now let's click on this start side. Okay, here is where you are going to see your key AI. You can ask your AI anything, and now this is the key pool where you can multiply your key. Now click on enter here. Now the minimum you can stake here is 7 days. Now 30 days and 180 days. So I'm going to stake for 7 days, and I'll give you guys feedback after that 7 days. Now these 7 days, the basic annualization is 3.5%. The year of maturity is 0.02 key. So I'm going to pledge it. Let's see how far. I'm going to click on pledge. Now they say your transaction password. Did I still remember my transaction password? Pledge failed. I can't remember my transaction password. I will check after recording this video. So this is another avenue for you to increase your key. Instead of leaving your key there and it will be wasting, it's better you stake it. When we started this project, the price of key was at 0.9, and right now is already at $3, which is massive. So start mining this project. Do not fade it for any reason. Link in the video description. I'm going to check my transaction password then now, and I will stake. So going here now, there is nothing more. This is where you can now swap. Your internal transfer transaction has been ended. This is where you can swap. If you want to swap everything you have, you can now create internal transfer, the exchange, and all that. So basically this project is going to do well. This is a long-term project. It's not a project that you are going to expect it today, tomorrow. This project is going to last for 2027. So start immediately, even though I am late. But if I'm consistent before 2027, I will have acquired enough keys. So that is it for this video. Link in the video description. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.